Hey guys, welcome to Backtrack Saturdays, Episode 1, Part 3. So you might be asking yourself, what are Backtrack Saturdays? Well, they all started this past winter when I was actually unable to get outdoors and do a day trip or any kind of little vacation hotspot because it was like super frigid. The wind chills were way below zero. It was cold, it was windy. There was no way I was getting outside and doing any kind of footage. And so I was scrambling. I'm like, I've got to put out something because I'm always putting a new post out every Saturday at 6 p.m. Central. I can't let my viewers down. I can't let myself down. So what can I do? And so I went through my footage and I found some old vacation footage we took but never did anything with it. And it was from the year of 2020. That should ring a bell with everybody.
That's it.
That was the year of COVID. Everything shut down, including an amazing cruise we had planned. We were going to go to Barcelona, Spain. We were going to pick up a ship there. We were going to travel to Europe. We were going to check out Rome, Italy, France. We were going to have a great time. We were even going to Greece, but it all got canceled because of COVID. But it didn't stop our life. We decided to do a road trip that year. We went from Texas to Virginia and documented our entire travels. But I never did anything with it. And so that's what Backtrack Saturdays are. There are times when I can't get outdoors or I don't have anything planned. And so this just happens to be one of those times a year. I'm a principal for a school and May is crazy. And so I am going back and I'm filling in the gaps for other Backtrack Saturdays. And so this is episode 3. So, or not episode 3, it's episode 1, but it's part 3. It's episode 1 because it's all about that Virginia trip. I've got some other things I found out here that will be future episodes. So we're still in episode 1. We're traveling to Virginia, and this is picking up exactly where it left off in part 2. We had just hiked to LeConte Lodge in the Smoky Mountains in Tennessee, and we got to the top and we ate lunch, and we're about to hike back down. And so we're going to pick up from where we left off, and we're going to hike down that mountain. We're going to take you with us, and then we're going to explore a little bit of Gatlinburg. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. So without any further delay, let's get into part 3 of episode 1. We're hiking down the LeConte Mountain in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. We are about to head back down. It took us about 3 hours and
A little over
3 hours to get up here. So we're thinking maybe a couple hours to get down. We'll have gravity working with us instead of against us. So pretty cool trip. We ended up getting a hiking stick and a few things to kind of remember this trip. I don't see us ever coming back. It's not that we wouldn't do it. It's just we are not even near the vicinity of Tennessee. So it was a good experience. We enjoyed it. So we're on our way down. Okay, so on our way down, we're not even halfway. The sky has unloaded on us. We are hiking in the rain on the way down. So I guess it makes sense why there's so much water in the area. It's very pretty, but cold now. We were hot and sweaty earlier. Now we're just cold and wet. My battery is running out. I don't know how much more footage I'll be able to shoot right now. Are your shoes wet? Mine too. think we're close to the start, maybe. We'll see. It's taking us longer than 2 hours to get back from the top. Okay, we made it. Shows 10.4 miles from where I started the hike. Did it in 5 hours and 5 minutes. So I don't know what a good record time is, but I probably didn't even come close. But anyway, it was a fun hike. We are tired, we're exhausted. Now we're gonna clean up a little bit, get back to our campsite. Right, so it's July 5th. We went and explored Gatlinburg a little bit today and just kind of wandered the streets in and out of the shops that you've probably seen by now. And we are actually heading off to Virginia, which will be at Williamsburg tomorrow. We're going to be leaving pretty early. So now is the dreaded packing up the camper and getting ready to go one other time. But we'll be there for a couple weeks. And before we leave, we got the opportunity to spend a few nights here in Tennessee. So we're going to add that sticker to our map, which is exciting times for us because eventually we'd like to hit all the states. I don't know that we'll ever hit Alaska or Hawaii with our camper, but we can get all the other ones. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed our trip so far, and be looking for us tomorrow as we head to Virginia. Official, Tennessee is conquered. If you enjoy fascinating day trips, vacation hotspots, and unique roadside attractions, help us to grow and find new audiences by liking, subscribing, and smashing that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. We hope you enjoyed today's journey in this Backtrack Saturday episode, where we pieced together lost footage of our road trip from Texas to Virginia during the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic of 2020. This series is just getting started as we kick off the next volume in this series with 2 weeks to explore Virginia. We spend the day exploring historic Williamsburg, touring one of the original English colonies, with historic buildings and staff that dress the part of colonists. This location dates back to 1632, until American colonists declared their independence in 1776. Join the adventure as we post new episodes every Saturday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Until next time, happy travels.